I'm not sure if I've filmed this particular one, but here's the lift at Richlands Station. It's just Liftronic. Basically the same as eerily solutions. It even has the same NASCAR fan voice as well. Otherwise, just your standard 2010s Liftronic.
Councourse. Going down.
While we're out here, mate. We may as well give the Councourse well, actually, never mind. That'll be its first use in you. You probably won't get what that means, but yours take forever to lock and close. That's bad. It's only 10 years old.
Platform. Going up.
I think there are two versions of this voice. One that has, and the difference is the voice, the going up and going down announcements. The one says lift, going up, and the other says going up, or going up, like this, sorry. Anyway, I probably should have filmed out the window, but
Going down.
can't be helped. Very creepy to see the station completely deserted.
Platform. Going up.
Alright, let's kind of look at the windows. See the goblet cable. 1,600 kilograms, 21 persons. Of course, there's a camera filming me. But I'm filming them, so you know.
Councourse. Going down.
Buttons, dual controls and phone, not much really to say about it really, it's just Liftronic. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to shoot a console today, sorry. The electronic timetable, as it's called. Not really any good camera angles either.
Platform. Going
But,
up.
yep, that's would be it. That'll be it.